I have lost a lot of weight and it got so many people worried. Many asking, what happened to you? Where have you been all this time? And you come out looking like this. A few of my family members know, of course, what has been going on. I didn't like even friends to know I've been so close to myself. And it reached a point that I could no longer anyway hide anymore because depression got the better of me. I never thought depression was a serious killer disease. I don't even know if it's a disease or whatever it is, but it really got the better of me, and it made me even smaller than this. I am just recovering and looking even better.